So if you two have an area in your cabinetry or cupboards or cabinets that you need to just get under control and to organize, maybe you want to receive some inspiration from this video. So maybe this video can inspire you and give you some ideas to get things under control. So I've been here for a season, and in that time, my bathroom area has gotten a little out of control. It looks like this. And I also have 2 shelves up here, which are those and those. So this video is going to be about getting all these things in order. This is how I organize. I examine what I have before I even approach it, and here's the first project. I emptied out this container and I'm going to put all of my nail colors in it. Now I think this looks better, and although you cannot really see well the colors, I still know it's there. And if you tell me, hey, why do you have all of these similar colors? And to me, even if you can see a small nuance of difference, it's a totally different color. And one color may look slightly different on my fingernails than the next. So I do stay in this color range of mostly nudes and pinks. I do have a few vibrant colors. And the only reason why I got these colors, if you see in my Feminine Rhythm book, according to the seasons, I have different nail colors to go with the months, and I had to go ahead and purchase those. So you will see the completion of everything else in a minute. I just wanted to show you how I'm doing bit by bit. I hope you're ready to discover my new space in the bathroom cabinetry. In the bathroom cabinetry, it took me hours to do, but you know what? I felt like in order for me to move forward on some of my projects, I should complete this, and this is my new space. I got rid of most of the baskets and designed it after watching some inspiration on Pinterest. I wanted it to feel like I was at a beauty product store. And for now, I put my nail colors in front of my husband's section, so as if he wouldn't see that. And then I kept the rest in baskets and bins. Those are just doggy stuff and extras alls. And then we have our first aid kit and toilet paper. So I hope this has given you some inspiration on what to do with yours. And write in the comments below how your cabinets look and if I've inspired you to change it in any way.